Hello friends, welcome back my channel. In today's video I will tell you how to review the new Apple ID. So let's start the video. As you can see, I created this Apple ID a while ago. Go back to the home screen. Now open the App Store. Now try to download anything from here. Like I search in front of you here on Instagram. Just tap on the get. Tap install and enter your Apple ID password and sign in. As you can see, as soon as I enter the password, it immediately asked for a review. Just tap on review. Agree to terms and conditions, turn on. Now tap on next. Now fill these slots as I do. Enter the short form of your city in the first 3 lines. And in the fourth line, give the full name of your city. Now enter the postal code of your city in the fifth line and give any mobile number in the last line. It does not matter. Here you can see Apple account created. Continue and download anything from the App Store. Enter the Apple ID password and sign in. Now you can see your App Store is working fine after review. That's it. Hope this video helpful for you. Thanks for watching.